Step-by-step guide, buying shares on Groww platform. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to buy shares on the Groww platform. Whether you're a beginner investor or an experienced trader, Groww makes it easy to invest in shares and grow your wealth. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up. First, visit the Groww website or download the app from your respective app store. Sign up by providing your basic details, including your name, email address, and mobile number. Step 2. Complete KYC. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete your KYC verification. This is a simple process where you'll need to provide your PAN card details, address proof, and your bank account information. Groww will guide you through this process step by step. Step 3. Explore the market. Now that you're all set up, it's time to explore the market. You can browse through the wide range of companies and stocks available on the Groww platform. Do your research, analyze the performance of these companies, and make an informed decision. Step 4. Choose a stock. Once you've decided which stock you want to invest in, simply search for it on the Groww platform. You'll find detailed information about the stock, including its historical performance, price charts, and expert opinions. Step 5. Place an order. After you've selected the stock, it's time to place an order. Choose whether you want to buy it at the market price or set a limit order. Set the quantity of shares you want to purchase and review the order details. Step 6. Confirm and pay. Once you're satisfied with your order, confirm the transaction and choose your payment method. You can make a direct bank transfer or use UPI to complete the payment securely. Groww ensures a smooth and hassle-free payment process. Step 7. Track your investment. Congratulations, you've successfully bought shares on the Groww platform. Now, you can easily track the performance of your investment through the app. Monitor your returns, set price alerts, and stay updated with market trends. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on buying shares on the Groww platform. We hope this video has helped you understand the process better. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Happy investing with Groww!